Hello Professor, I'm Kedhara Nethra and my SGSU ID is 011833640. This is my demo for a sequence diagram extra credit. I would like to first run it locally and then proceed with the command prompt. I have chosen AspectJ to generate a sequence diagram in a dynamic way. So start to sequence.aj, this is my AspectJ file where I have my point cuts defined here. Now I'll go ahead running from main.java as insisted. Here I have my arguments defined. Here it is seq, which means for sequence. Now I'll go ahead generate the sequence diagram with the run configurations and passing the arguments as seq. So these are all my messages and the participants and my messages with the operations and the variables. Now as it says, the AspectJ sequence diagram in PNG format is generating, and sequence diagram.png is created successfully in this path. Let's go ahead and check. Okay, so it is 4:38 and the diagram has been generated at 4:37 successfully. So this is my sequence diagram where I have main the economy pessimist optimist as my participants, and my first message would be set state, and these are all my nested calls, my written messages. So now I'll go ahead running it from command prompt. To do that, let me download my sequence jar from my GitHub. Okay, I'm downloading it now. This is my sequence jar. I'm having it in my desktop, and I'll run it from the desktop. So since my sequenced jar is in the desktop, I will point the current working directory to there, and I'll generate the diagram now. Sequence.jar, and sequence is the argument type. So the diagram has been successfully generated in this path. So it is, my sequence diagram has been successfully generated. Now I'll go ahead running my class diagram through command prompt, and my tenants with the 202 pairing or Shivakumar Padma and Suraj Koharna. Before running it, I'll download my class diagram parser jar. I'll have this pointed to my desktop. jar is parser.jar, and here the argument for generating the class diagram is, the first keyword is class, and the test case folder, I'm generating for test case 4, and the third argument would be my output file name. Okay, so my diagram has been generated successfully, and my response code is 200. Since I'm using yUML, I'm checking for HTTP response codes. Okay, now let's see if the diagram has been generated in the path mentioned here. Class extra is the name I have given. So this is the diagram that has been generated for the class diagram. So here I have the implements, extents, and the dependencies and the associations between the classes and between the interfaces and the multiplicities shown. So this is my class diagram. Thank you for watching, and